Most people stick with the first field service software they try, even when it slows them down. And that is a costly mistake. Here's the truth no one tells you. Workiz is powerful, but it is not perfect for every business, and sometimes an alternative can actually make your operations faster, simpler, and more profitable. Quick promise. In this video you'll discover the best Workiz alternatives in 2026, what each one is best at, and how to choose the right platform for your type of field service business, so you don't end up paying for features you don't use. Let's start with the first major alternative. Jobber is one of the most popular options. It is built for simplicity and clean job management. If you run a service business like landscaping, cleaning, or small plumbing jobs, Jobber makes scheduling and customer communication extremely easy. Alex, who runs a lawn care business, switched to Jobber because he wanted fewer clicks and faster invoicing without complicated setup. But here's the problem. Jobber is not ideal for high-volume call centers or emergency dispatch-heavy businesses. It focuses more on structured scheduling than real-time urgency. Now let's talk about Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro is a strong all-in-one alternative. It combines scheduling, payments, customer communication, and marketing tools. It is especially useful for growing teams that want automation without the complexity of enterprise software. Jake, who runs a small HVAC company, liked how it helped him send automated reminders and collect payments faster. Now, here's where it gets interesting. ServiceTitan is another major alternative, but it sits at the high end. It is designed for large-scale operations. Think multi-crew plumbing companies or HVAC businesses with call centers. It offers deep reporting, marketing automation, and full operational control. But it also comes with higher cost and a steeper learning curve. So while it is powerful, it is not always practical for smaller teams. Next is Zoho AFM.A. Zoho Field Service Management is a more flexible and budget-friendly option. It integrates well with other Zoho apps like KeyRM and invoicing tools. This makes it a strong choice if you already use Zoho or want a customizable system without paying premium pricing. But here's the trade-off. It may require more setup time compared to plug-and-play tools like Jobber or Housecall Pro. Now let's simplify the decision. If your business is small and service-based with scheduled work, Jobber is usually the easiest choice. If you want automation and growth tools, Housecall Pro is a strong middle ground. If you are a large enterprise, ServiceTitan dominates. And if you want flexibility on a budget, Zoho FSM is worth exploring. Final takeaway. The best Workiz alternative is not about features alone. It is about how your team actually works every day. Speed, simplicity, and scalability matter more than long feature lists. If this helped you compare your options clearly, hit like, subscribe, and comment what type of business you run. That helps others choose the right software too.